Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Microsoft Word. So I have an example right here and I'm going to go ahead and show you. So if we head over to our favorite pet right here, you can go ahead and click this one and choose from the drop-down. And so for us to do that one here, we're going to choose with Fruit. I'm going to right click this one and then click Customize the ribbon. And we're going to look for the developer, just tick it or check it, hit OK, and now we're here. So we're going to head to the developer and we're going to go ahead and click this one. This is the drop down list content control. If you click that, you should be seeing something like this. You can go over and basically click the properties here in order for you to be able to do this one. So from here, go ahead and start adding. Say for example, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and put here fruit options. Yeah. All right, there you go. And then down below you have this choose an item. I can go ahead and remove that one, and then I can go ahead and start adding. So say for example, what I want to add is, let's say apple and then banana. All right, you can go ahead and add more. It's definitely up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK here. And yeah, from here, you should be able to click the design mode here. You see there, choose an item. You can go ahead and delete that one and just leave like 3 dots if you don't want to write anything there. Basically, what's going to happen is if you're going to disable it, this is the first thing that people will see. So yeah, here you can go ahead and click that one, and there goes the banana. And there goes the apple as well. So yeah, apple and banana, that is how you're going to add a drop down here in Microsoft Word.